Okay, next one we're going to look at is 2012, January, and it's question 2 and 3. Question 2a. Find the first term of that sequence, n squared plus 3. So that's pretty straightforward. 1 squared out of 3 is 4, 2 squared out of 3 is 7, 3 squared out of 3 is 12, 4 squared out of 3 is 19. State whether it converges or diverges. The numbers are getting further away each time, so it is diverging. Part B, find a formula for the nth term of that sequence. So first of all, I will write out the sequence 1, minus 3, 5, minus 7, and 9. First of all, you've got an alternating sign, so you've got two choices here, minus 1 to the n or minus 1 to the n plus 1. When n is 1, as in the first term, this would give me a negative. Putting n to be 1 in here, minus 1 squared is positive. My first term is positive, so I'm going to choose this one. Now look at the numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's going up in twos, so it's 2n. Look at the first term. 2 times first is 2. I want it to be 1, take away 1. Does that work? Let's look at the second term. 2 times 2 is 4, take away 1. It does. And just check for the third. 2 times 3 is 6, take away 1 gives me 5. So just putting both of those bits together, your nth term, this is your sign, and that's the sequence. So that was question 2a. The next question we're going to look at in this paper is question 3. And in question 3, you've got a theatre floor plan arranged in rows. There are 21 seats in the 5th row, 66 seats in the 20th row. You're told it's an AP. So first of all, I'm going to get that written down. So UN is A plus N minus 1D. On the 5th row, you have got A plus 5 minus 1, so it's 4D. And you're told that equals 21 from the question up there. Let's call that equation 1. For the 20th row, you've got A plus 20 minus 1, 19D. And you're told from the question that is 66 seats. Call that equation 2. I've got two equations. Just subtract them. A minus A disappears, so that's gone. 14 minus 19 is minus 15D. 21 minus 66 is minus 45. Rid of your minuses, bring your 15 across and divide. D equals 3. Sub it back into equation 1. A plus 4 times D, 4 times 3. So A is 9. Part 2. There are 24 seats in the theatre. Find the total number of seats. So for part 2, Sn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. And you're told there are 24 seats. So 24 over 2, 2 times a, 24 minus 1, times d, which is 3. Plugging that into your calculator, 1044.